In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about complementary angles. The definition of complementary angles is if the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. Here I have two angles outlined in two different colors. I have angle BAT outlined in red and angle CAT outlined in blue. And I also have the indicator for a 90-degree angle right there. So if I add angle BAT and angle CAT together, the sum will be 90 degrees. So therefore, these two angles are called complementary. Now let's take a look at an example. In this prompt, I know that angle R and angle S are complementary. The prompt provides us the exact measurement of angle R, so I need to find out what is the measurement of angle S. In order to solve this question, we need to set up your equation. Angle R plus angle S will be equal to 90 degrees because the prompt says the angles are complementary. Replace the information that we do know. Angle R is replaced for 65.3. In order to solve for angle S, we'll need to subtract both sides by 65.3. And if we do the calculations correctly, angle S will be equal to 24.7 degrees.